Hi, this is Mike of Mike's 2022 Harley. Some of you have asked me how to keep a motorcycle battery from dying. There's a simple device for that. It's called a battery maintainer. It's also called a trickle charger. It's easy to hook up on a Harley. All you have to do is connect the positive terminal to the starter, connect the negative terminal to any ground, and the 2-prong plug to the battery charger. If you don't have an external hookup, that's okay. It comes with battery clamps, so just put these directly onto the battery. And the same thing, hook it up to your charger. If you're going to let the bike sit for an extended period, it's good to have this external charger on the battery. All you have to do on a Harley, because Harleys are very simple, is take the nut off. Oh, by the way, this is the rear cylinder, this is the starter, and this is the cover over the starter. I've already removed it. This is the terminal, the hot terminal on the starter. This is always hot, okay? This goes right to the battery. So, take that nut off carefully. Don't touch any ground. Take the nut off, then put on this terminal, the positive terminal, onto the starter, put the nut back on, and put the protective cover back on. Then come out on the negative, do the same thing, put the negative to another ground here, someplace. This is the ground I'm using here. And now it's ready to go. All you have to do is take the other part of the monitor or the trickler that's plugged into the wall and connect it to. It's that simple. If you don't have any external connector, use the included battery clamps and go directly to the battery. If you're interested in this charger, please see our links below. And remember, it helps our channel a lot if you use the links we provide. The name of our channel is Mike's 2022 Harley Motorcycle, but this channel isn't just for Harleys. It's for anyone who has a motorcycle and is looking for everyday solutions. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more solutions to everyday problems. This is Mike saying, be safe, ride safe, stay safe. Bye-bye.